Howdy hun, welcome back to Stephsgotit. What have I got today? Let's check it out. Here's another box from Amazon, and we won't say who it's from just yet. Let's rip this bad boy open. Thank you for stopping by and opening up a new box with me. I know there are lots of things you could be doing, so I appreciate that. Alright, let's see what we got. For one thing, my bubbles have air. Remember last time they didn't have air. Okay, that's not important. Here we go. This. Ooh, this is what's important. Well, you already see who it's from, Kotart. And you see what's in it. Okay. No, it hasn't been opened before. But isn't that pretty? A tube. Awesome. I hate to break that picture, man, but let's open this pretty boy up and see what we got. All right, so we'll place that there. We want to keep up with that because we'll use it. Oh, okay, it's inside of another tube. There we go. It's inside another tube. So I get an extra tube. If I can find a closure for that, which I'm sure I can make, we might have another tube there. All right, so let's dump out all of this. Wow, look at that. Those colors. That is, oh my goodness, look at all those Han Solos. There are gray ones and pink ones, light pink ones, all up in the fuchsia pinks business. She can't have no time to herself. All right, so there you go. That's pretty also. Oh, there's another Han Solo. Oh, red. Precious. And a lot more brighter colors, and we'll pull it apart in a second. All right, and here's your toolkit. For those of you who are interested in seeing it, for those of you who aren't, fast forward. Let's see what we got. We have 4 drill pins. This one is just the drill tip, the single drill tip. And these are dual ended. So you have your 3-placer. Is that a 3? That's actually an R. You have your 3-placer on one end and the single. You have your, I'm guessing that's a 7-placer on one end and a single. And then here you have, I'm going to guess that's a 4, maybe 5 or something. Anyway, if you remember the last one I opened up, I thought they were 3 and 6 or something, and it had a 4 on it and a 7 on it, so I don't see anything on these, so until I use them I won't really know. But you may know. If you're more experienced than I am, you may know. So there you go. You got your little cheap tweezers with the point. You have your wax. It's really 3 pieces, but it hasn't completely separated. You have some Ziploc bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, about 26 to 30. I'm just counting the red lines randomly. And 2 green boats. As you know, I'm a fan of the boats that have the pour spouts, but I've been looking at a lot of different things as I'm learning about diamond painting. More and more, so these may come in handy for a specific purpose. So I will rebag that up later, so you don't have to sit here and watch me do that. Okay. Now, ooh, if you didn't see the picture, look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh, get out of the way. We're not talking to you right now? No, we're not talking to you right now. We're talking to her, to them. Oh, doesn't that just melt your heart? Oh, that's so sweet. The plastic's a little crinkly, so let's pull it off and see what's going on. All right. It looks pretty clear. Looking at it from the side, again, you can see some little texture differences, but the sticky is okay. It's decent, and it's good. They've got like, I don't know what, maybe it's just a difference in how they glue them. The other one was the same way. Like some areas, it's not smooth and glued. If you look at it from the side, which I didn't intend to do, just with the angle of the camera forced me to be on this side, so I'm able to see that. But it looks good. As you can see, the drills are clear. The symbols are clear. Look at that face. Look at the little bambino. Oh. It is beautiful. That same glue smell. It's beautiful. You have a key up here in the corner. At the top left corner, you have a key. And then you have another one down here in the bottom right corner. As you can see, it's 16 by 20 inches. The glue pretty much stops exactly at that line on the bottom, and exactly maybe a 0.1 centimeter over to the side, so you don't get a lot of extra glue there. And you can see it's beautiful. The colors are beautiful. You can clearly make out Mom's, even though her eyes aren't open. You can clearly see the love that she has for this child. And you can see the child just nestled on his mother's shoulder, feeling that love and that peace and that comfort. Oh, this is so beautiful. Now I'm torn about what I want to do with it. I initially bought this picture because every year our church does an annual nativity exhibit, and I thought this would be beautiful to go in the exhibit. And we've never had a diamond painting in the exhibit before. And as a matter of fact, I don't even know that they'll even know what that is, so I may have to explain it to them. But I wanted to enter it there. But now that I'm looking at it, I'm thinking about a mother that I know who just had her second miscarriage, just lost the second baby. Actually, the baby, she was a little ways along, and I don't know if it will be in bad taste to give it to her, but I am thinking about maybe she would love this. Anyway, so yeah, I have to rethink what I intend to do with this, but it is beautiful, and it will be third on my list, although it will not be for me. It will either go as a gift to this mother, special mom, or it will go on display in the nativity event this year. Okay, so the canvas looks good. There are of course, no folds because it was rolled. The canvas it has a rough texture to it, but a really solid texture. Like, you don't think, it doesn't feel like it's gonna rip apart or anything like that. So it's really nice. That is just so beautiful. Okay, and I love Kotart's little design up there. I asked them how to pronounce that because I've heard a couple of people say it different ways, but for today we're going to go with Kotart. Alright, so let's check out what came in the bag. We have little labels to go on our baggies, I assume. We have a card, USA, with the Statue of Liberty, and I guess that's New York. Duh. And it's just, dear valued customer, thank you, etc., etc., etc. We saw the toolkit, and here's your key. There are your instructions on how to do the diamond painting, along with a picture. Oh, there you go. Along with a picture of the painting, and then very big key if you want to print that out and use it on something. It's too big for my containers, but it's nice to have a big clear key so you don't have to, like for me, I have to take, I have to take off my glasses to look down here to see these small prints. So this is really cool. I appreciate that. All right, we're going to open up the drill packet. If that bothers you, you might want to silence it for a moment, and we're about to go. And done. All right, so let's see what we have here. All right, let's unfold our little chain here and check out our colors. So on the baggie, but I think hers did the same way. A2, A1, A3, A5. Oh, no, A4, A5, so it's just that. But anyway, that's funny. Okay, that is a beautiful maroon. Come on, camera. All right, a little manual focus here. That is a beautiful maroon color. Red. No, that's a really, really dark pink. Gray, lighter gray. That is pretty. I don't know what color that is, but that is pretty. It's not red. It's blue, orange, apricot, gray with a little Han Solo over there visiting. And there's that fuchsia dark pink. Bless her heart, she can't have a moment to herself. Look at all those grays and a peach. Two peach. There's a, not cream, but maybe a taupey type color. I'm going to stop trying to guess these colors because I don't know. Oh, look at that. Okay, no, that's a Han Solo. Ooh, that is pretty. That's pretty and bright. And these are the same color, just darker, medium, and light. Okay. Gorgeous. Oh, look at the twin. Oh, look at that. Oh, now I'm curious to see how many colors I can find in all these packets. So there's two pinks and a blue over here visiting the brown. Again, all up in somebody else's business. Look at that. There's a brown one. There's a blue one. There's another brown one. And this is a peachy color. Oh, check her out. She locked her doors up good. Nobody got in there to see her. That's pretty. He's got a Han Solo. Oh, look at that. She's got a Han. Ooh, she's got an orange and a white visitor. And a little blue. Again, he's got a set of twin visiting. Just like a cameo-y. And there you go. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 24, 25. Yes, we have 25 colors, so we're good to go. All right, I'm not gonna make you watch me bag that. I will do that off camera. Let's check the logbook and see what information we have. So, the painting is named A Mother's Love. It's a 16 by 20. It's full coverage. The drills are round. I, again, got it from Amazon. Blame Mrs. Coffee. And the seller is Kotart. It was $16.95. It was not on sale. Again, Amazon Prime, free shipping. And it was purchased on 4/3. It was shipped on 4/7. And I received it while I was sick. So that must have been shortly after 4/7. It was shipped on the 7th, so I think I got it like that. I came home Monday night, I went to bed, so I got it maybe Tuesday or Wednesday. I have to go on Amazon and check for sure, and I'll put that in the description. If I was a good girl, I would have had that before I started, and I thought I did, but clearly I don't. So again, thank you for stopping by. If you liked this video, 2 thumbs up. If you didn't, well, you're free to thumb it down or to just keep on rolling, right? So thank you for stopping by. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. If you are having a great day, be kind and bless someone else's day. All right. We'll holler at y'all later. Love and shimmies.